In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an email signature in Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. A signature can automatically add your name, contact information, website, or other details to the bottom of your emails. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird and go to your account settings. If you have multiple email accounts, make sure you select the account where you want to create the signature. Look for the section related to the account identity or signature settings. You should see an area where you can enter the text that you want to use as your email signature. Type your signature into the available field. You can include your name, job title, contact information, or a short message. Depending on your Thunderbird version, you may also be able to format the signature using HTML or attach a signature file. Choose the option that works best for your needs. After creating the signature, save or close the account settings. Now, create a new email to test the setup. Your signature should automatically appear in the message when you compose a new email. If it doesn't appear, return to the account settings and confirm that the correct signature option is enabled. You can create different signatures for different email accounts if you use multiple addresses, and that's how to create an email signature in Mozilla Thunderbird. Once configured, your signature can save time and help make your emails look more professional. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.